Myntri Rangbah Conrad kisang mau lalit Jngoh ik office Jngoh kat Shillong light cross C&Rd block haka kat south terik banwa jing tip ik jing penteri kam ik skim babonjat ki baka sorkar kala penteri kam hakis nem balala na kabentaban kenti wiki pat ba habarok kiliang long briu man briu bat hakim lang salang. Haka jing kren bat ki officer jong ni ko office Myntri Rangbah ulayo ka jing batai bat jing pensyai halor ki kam penroy Shillong light mau siang bat light soplia. Dala ki jong ki khmat ulalit pet yakini ki Shillong arteli banyu i ki jing pentre yagi kam shis pasngi MGNREGA kabala pen phalang bat pen thabai ki ni ki Shillong. Myntri Rangbah ulalit ang benengru ban pet kai ki jing itana jong kamariang bat gilho jong ki ni ki Shillong khamtam lele yagi ting am masi viewpoint yam viewpoint bat kiriat be ithiang jong ka Shillong light ring o. Ula ai jing mot ikinong ilam jong ki village organization bakin penbha ye kidukan di jing bam kanang bikinong pitkai ye kamariang syakani kathan kin ju pat kin sa kin mau ha jing em jong ki. Ula iro ek jing tre jong ni ka C&Rd bat ik jing ko ngut jong ki pat ba akini kisnong ki blabut ik jing batha bat jing kai jong ni ko office. Myntri Rangbah ulai thu ru baka sarkar kan weng ik jing kerdu jong ka Shillong sora bat ki Shillong ki bran saudong jong ka hakini ki por bandang wan.
Put this one.
Okay.
So just put it as an additional one.
Okay.
I'll tell the contractor to do this one. Just the children's park. They doesn't have to put open gym, but we'll do the children's park.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right. I saw the parking. Yeah. So you want to level that and make it parking. Expand also. And the road. You mentioned the road also. You want to make the parking yourself only?
Yes.
Or is it the? Yeah, just make sure of that. So what we need to figure out is, as I said, I want to develop this into a slightly more modern look. So if this is, even if it's in this PWD, no problem. PWD build it and we'll lease it out to them. Or whatever, or give it back to them, whatever it is. But we won't charge them for it. But I think we need to just do this up. We can have a word with them. Along the way, I just want to do that. Along the way, all these places, locations, wherever we have this kind of places, how can we give it a lift? Just make it the same thing, same people will run it, everything, but it just look better. That's all. Okay. So I need to do that. I need to figure out. So you have to give me the roadmap. Make me the proposal. Tourism, landowner, location-wise, everything. Then number 2, apart from infrastructure, these same people, we need to give them soft skill training. I would like to give them training about just a simple thing about hygiene, simple thing about cleanliness, simple thing about courteous. We have courteous already, but how can we polish it up and make it better? So I want to do these 2 things: infrastructure improvement and the manpower soft skill improvement. Can we just work on that? Just let me know. We'll give the full support from tourism from everywhere. So we are here in Lights of Clare and we have come to see the different kind of infrastructures in tourism and how to improve the overall infrastructure and overall experience for the tourists. This of course is an area which has got huge potential, and hence we feel that by ensuring that we are able to improve the basic infrastructure here, we're seeing the shops. We would like to see that how we could make it better, provide better infrastructure, better experience for the tourist, cleaner systems out here, more trained people. So our same people will be running this place, but they should be, or they can be trained a bit more in hospitality, so that the experience for the tourist ultimately improves. So today I'm going to multiple locations to check this out and improve the basic infrastructure like parking areas, toilets, footpaths, the roads, all these basic infrastructures to be improved all along this circuit of Sora circuit, and as I said, and how to create employment through tourism by ensuring that we're able to promote the local shops, we're able to promote the local VOs or SHGs by providing them training and different kind of machinery so that they can make tourist related products like souvenirs. So all these are being looked into, and I'm happy that I've got a very, very positive response from the people out here, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to take tourism and the entire experience of the tourist to a new level, and through that create better employment opportunities for the people living in this area.
Water scarcity is a problem here because we have no proper source of water. As of now, I would say in summer, so much of rainfall we get, but we cannot capture rainwater. The reason is that we don't have the capacity to build water tanks to harvest rainwater. So also we have approached our MLA, and he has given an assurance that we will work hard so that the work, because we know that water has to come here from a faraway place. So to speed up the work so that we avail this basic necessity. So we hope that you will work together with our MLA, and we hope that in years to come we will get this basic necessity. Thank you, sir.
So I would like to inform all of you that the SWARE Combined Water Supply Scheme, which is targeting 8 habitations, including this village, has already been sanctioned at an amount of 47.5 crores. So almost 48 crores has been sanctioned, and the preliminary work order also has been issued. So I expect the water supply work to start very, very soon. 5,000 per month, 6,000 per month. This is another product that is made with millet. This is millet horlicks, they're calling it. So basically, again, you just have to mix it with hot water, and obviously you get all the nutrition that you can get from the millet, and therefore it's again a very unique product. And I'm really impressed with this, the VO, the work that the separate groups are doing, the innovation that they're doing, and we'll be very, very happy as a government to give them full support so that they are able to increase their production and also to package the products in a better manner so that the market linkage also gets better. And we should be promoting these products in all our tourist destinations. So I really congratulate all of you and thank all of you for your initiative, and assure you of all the support from our side to take the products and make the whole production even better.